Hello everyone, good morning and welcome to my channel once again. Today we are going to talk about very sweet things because I am going to add sweetness in your life, and we are going to talk about sugars available in German supermarkets. And also I'm going to tell you a recipe that you can very easily make in German household. And so stay tuned till the end of the video, and let's get started. So sugar is called Zucker, and icing sugar is called Puderzucker, and you can very easily make an icing or frosting using Puderzucker. Then there is one more thing that is similar to Indian sugar, which is called raw sugar, which is not at all like jaggery, but you can use it if you want to add normal sugars or sugar cane sugar. Then Mishli or sugar candies are called candies, and it is also available in German supermarkets. So there is something similar to brown sugar, which is called Rohzucker, and also there is Kokosblüten or coconut sugar. And there are some more healthier substitutes of sugar like erythrite or stevia, and these are also available in German supermarkets. So you see here how many type of stevia is available in the liquid form or in the erythrite form. So stevia is one of the healthiest sweeteners. Also, there are different sugars available in German supermarkets, which you can make either to make syrup or sherbet, or you can make these sugars to make jelly and all such kind of thing. These sugars are called Einmark sugar. And then there is a special kind of sugar which is called Glierzucker, which is which is used to make jam or marmalade or marmelade in German. And there are many different kind of sugar. It depends on how much ratio you have to add sugar to fruit. So we have seen 1 to 1 ratio, 1 to 2 ratio, 3 to 1 ratio. This is how it is used. So the bonus recipe is making jam using Glierzucker. So here you see, and in spring and summertime you are going to get a lot of Glierzucker, and you can use the strawberries and everything to make the jam. You see here in the recipe you can use even fruit juice to make jam. All you have to do is you have to just mix sugar and Glierzucker and fruit in the given ratio, and then you have to cook it for given time, and then it will be ready. So in order to make a strawberry jam, what you have to do is you have to take strawberry or any other fruit for 1 kilo, and then you have to mix the whole packet 500 gram to it, and then you have to use a bit. When if the fruit is very sweet, then you can add half lemon juice, and now you have to cook until it sets when it is cool. So this is what I did, and I measured it, and then I cooked it. And you see here the cooking process is going on, and it's fairly thick. Now we will take a bit of this jam on the plate, and then we try to see if it is flowing. So you see we can cook it a bit more. It's okay, it's fairly good in consistency. Now I will touch and test the consistency, and you see how it's perfect in consistency to be applied on the braids and everything. So you see, now I already cleaned some glasswares, and that you have to clean very thoroughly. I bought these jam jars new because these are of small quantity, and what I am doing right now is I am flipping them so that it doesn't have any impure air inside, so that your jam will not spoil for long. Now I use the same process for apricots too, and in the same way you can make mixed fruit jam and any other jam of your choice. It's very easy and very convenient with the use of clear zucca, and I highly recommend you to try it because their and sugar work as a preservative, so you have all natural ingredients, and these jams are much more tastier in comparison to the marmalade or the jam that you get from the German market. So and when you cook them you can um, store them in the desired size, as I did in the smaller bottles. So even if you use the jam, like one bottle of jam in 1 month, then also you have some more bottles of jam which is unopened and uncontaminated, and it will stay for long. And in fact, once I what I did was I bought a big bottle of jam and I could not finish it on time. So what I did was I heated that jam and transferred that to these small bottles. So it is very easy to carry, and there is very less risk of contamination. Here with apricots, I have to pay an extra effort to set the consistency, so I have to cook a bit more. But all in all, you got an idea that how these gems are made. We did the same when you go to, like, these sugars are very important when you go for strawberry picking, or when you go to collect some wild fruit. So in the month of June and in the month of October, it is very important to have this clear zucker, and then you can cook your own jam at home. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and subscribe to my channel, hit like button, and watch other videos too, and we will meet again with a new video with a new topic. Until then, bye bye.